Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola One 5G, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. To get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip. Straighten out one on the ends and it should work just as well. Now, if you have some kind of protective case on your device, do take it off, and from there grabbing your little SIM ejector or a paper clip, I'm going to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone. Push it in. Now this one required a bit of force to actually come out. There we go. And once you take it out, you have space on here for a single SD card and single SIM card. Now if you're planning to use, for instance, just a SIM, that's fine. You can just pop in the SIM and don't have to worry about the SD card. It's an optional tray. And obviously so is the SIM card, though. It's a phone, so one would expect that you have a SIM card in it. Anyway, in there. From here you want to just slide it back in. Do it carefully so nothing comes out of the tray. The cards could just kind of bump out of the position. This has some force needed, at least in my case, to push it back in, which is a little bit unusual. But as you can see, it's already working. It's giving me LTE connection right here. So SIM card is working, and we have also information about the SD card, so it detects both of the cards, no problem. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.